So many sales reps get stuck on the I need to think about it objection. We're going to use our brand new Ask Adam AI software to showcase exactly how not to handle that objection, but also the best way to handle it in a role play environment. Let's do it.
How can I help?
I'm struggling with the I need to think about it objection. Let's role play it.
Right, let's dive into this. I'll play the prospect and I'll throw the I need to think about it objection at you. Your job is to handle it with authority and empathy, yeah? Remember, the goal here is to uncover whether it's a smokescreen or a real objection. If it's a smokescreen, we neutralize, isolate, reframe, and close. If it's real, we address it without pushing too hard and undoing all the trust you've built. Here we go. You've just finished your pitch and I say, this all sounds great, but I need to think about it. Your move, go for it.
What is it you need to think about?
Mate, that's a decent start, but it's a bit too direct and might put them on the defensive. You've got to soften it up while still keeping control. Try this instead. I completely get it. This is a big decision and you want to make sure it's the right one. But decisions are made with information, not just time. So what information do you feel you need to see or hear from me to help you decide if this is the right move for you? That way, you're showing empathy, but you're also steering the conversation towards uncovering the real objection. Give it a go. What would you say next?
There we go. So we can see what I tried to do to start off with was give it the wrong objection handle, obviously. So what is it you need to think about is pretty much what like 70% of sales reps say, because they're not sharp with their objection handles and they're not prepared for it. When you practice role play exactly like that, you've got your words down to a T, you come across with clarity, but you're going to move them from where they are now, which is a smokescreen objection, into what the real objection is. We're isolating what the real thing is. Thinking about it isn't the objection. If you're struggling with that objection and you can do that 3-4 times a day, you're going to be so sharp. So what it did there, and the reason it's been trained to do what it done, is because most sales reps are going to say the same thing, which is what is it you need to think about. That's not how you handle the objection. Sometimes you might get a real answer, but it's just going to be followed by smokescreen after smokescreen after smokescreen. What we're trying to do is trying to take them away from the smokescreen objections as quickly as we can and move them into the real objection. So by doing that, so look, I completely get it and I want you to make sure this is the right decision for you. But look, it's information, not time, that's going to help you make that decision, whether that's a yes or a no. What information do you need to specifically see from me for you to be able to make an informed decision? What they're going to do is they're going to tell you what the real objection is. What if it doesn't work for me? Whatever it may be, we're moving it along. So the framework is to acknowledge, isolate, handle, reclose. By going through that isolation and just not believing it and not taking it at face value, we've now got the ability to move to the real objection, handle that, and then go back into a close.